to today's vlog, guys. Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon, good evening to each and everyone. Sa lahat ng followers and subscribers ko. Hello, guys. So exciting today. We are going to tour in China. Arriving in China. Still in the train. So paglabas natin dito, guys, China na to. China! Hi to my vlog. Hi to my vlog. Ito yung aking mga to. Ito si Tisay, guys. Hi! Hey, Ang Bisaya.
At pangalan mo din?
Jane. Ay, si Jane. Ano si Jane na maganda. So, yun. Shin Shin. Yun na yung nangyari sa salamin ko. Nag-moist na siya. Diyan tayo. Shin Shin guys. Punta yan ng China. So, ayan. Dito tayo galing. Itong friend. Please keep on hanging. Going to China.
乘客請從速利用最近嘅車站離開車廂。
Saka sa selfie ko, naiwanan na ako ng papit. Ayan o. So here we go, guys. Exciting today. We're going to China. So ayan, interchange. Ito yung train. Train tayo Hong Kong. Pasok tayo. Going to China. So, yun. Ang saya-saya. Wow! Malamig dito. Mayura, ano yung dala mo? Dapat dinala ko na lang yung isa kong backpack para ibinakpak mo yan. Mahirap yung bitbit lang. Hindi ka nag-message sa akin. Mahirap yung gaya may bitbit ka, oh. So, yan, oh. Follow the letter. Follow the letter. Bakit? Asan yung luggage? I thought you had luggage. Bakit sila may luggage? Asan yun? Oh, sana all may 200. Ako lang yung yan, guys, yung mga sir nila nagbibigay ng China money. Sana all. Ako lang China money. Binigyan lang ako ng sharing the blessing. Okay, so ayun, guys, dito na tayo going inside here. Oh, picture dito. Waiting na kami sa aming bus. Ayun ang aming tour guide. sa immigration, bawal na bawal kasi masyadong mahigpit dito sa China. Once na doon sa boarding gate nila, bawal ang cellphone, bawal mag-picture, bawal lahat, bawal hawakan yung cellphone. Sa ibang medyo may katikasan yung mga ulo guys. Ayun, kinocompensate yung mga cellphone nila and then dinadala sila doon sa loob until now yun. Yun yung may kasalanan bakit. Ngayon, nakapigla kami dito. Hindi pa sila pinapalabas. Pinaparasahin sila. Kasi mayura ng tapos tayo. Mayura ng Pangasinan. Oh, at ako mamangga na to sa isin. Dalawa lang sila po. Hindi ka na. At mamangga na to sa isin lang. Hindi ka na to. Mamangga. Pangasinan guys! Kaya yung ano yung forest eh, bigay yung ayun guys, ang dami. Shout out, 36 dito guys, ang daming tourist. Ayun na, dinulungan ang kayo na guys, daming tourist. Ayan sila.
May selfie stick din ako. Bakit ba din ito nilalabas?
Ito kanya kung hinirap kami sa kanya. Sa kanya grupo. Medyo ang tao din guys. Kaliwa!
Dito tayo.
Kaliwa! Kaliwa! Kaliwa again. Kaliwa again. Where? Doon tayo.
Yung green din na bus.
Oo. Wow, daming motor dito, guys.
Hi!
Welcome abroad! Welcome China! Diba? Sakyan namin, oh. Hindi, oh. Here we go! The orange, it's a brown. Guys, follow the letter!
Okay, leave the front seat behind the driver. Have the front seat for staff only. Dito tayo, dito.
Dito tayo, dito tayo!
The front seat na sa...
Where? We're gonna be lit. Sana ko. We are now in the San Transit place. Ay. Hi. 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 Hi, kain na. Hi na po. Hi lang.
Collecting your passport, something like that. Because we have in the group visa, in the group activity, and immigration and the visa office, they require very strict for us. And like this morning, we have in this bus, we have 41 entered immigration this morning. And when we go back, Hong Kong tonight, we have to be the exactly numbers. So lacking anyone, the rest of the group members cannot go back Hong Kong anymore. So it's a group visa. So that's why for precaution, so that's why we will take care of the passport for you. It's because we happen this kind of case before. Some people join the group tour with us. During the tour, some of them they disappear, and then we don't know where they go. Maybe they go to the moon. So this is a very big trouble for the rest of the group members. Just for precaution, we need to. That's why the reason why we collect everyone's passport, and we hope to coordinate together. Remember, today we are one group. Remember, and you belong to Bus Ling Ling, and you have a green ID, and you will follow me, diba? So it's a group activities. So no matter where we go, please stay with the group. Just don't go too far. System. It's a requirement, So maybe some of you say, I have been to Shenzhen before, It doesn't matter because today is today, and you come tomorrow is another pictures because we have to upload the photos to them, showing them we following the schedules and showing them we need to complete the job, and just in order to save time later, when we go down, just save more time behind. So that's why after we go down quickly, bila, solo by solo picture, okay? Solo picture, bila. After that, don't go away first because you will go with me. I show you to a Maganda point to have one group photo. So solo pictures for everyone and then a group photos. And after that, I will give you a little free time. Just don't go too far. And then, if any one of you like to go to washroom, go with Ling Ling. Because after here is another 1 hour and a half on the way. Okay? Yeah, so I will give you the time for...
Guys, woo! Here we go, guys. We are now here. Ano yan? Laking gulo. Ay, grabe yung mga motor kahit saan na lang sila. Babanggain ka talaga nila. Andun sila sa bridge. Oh. Guys, yung bridge, very attractive naman yung bridge niya kasi kulay red. Kulay red. Gusto ko sana magpapicture dito sa bridge na to. Yung top-off dyan sa bridge. So here we go, the biggest ano nila. Signboard. Welcome to China. Welcome to China. Ay, America naman. China pa lang tayo. kagad siya. Oh, yun. Hi! Kamay lang. Picturean mo nga ako dyan, Sai. Hi! So here we go guys, balik na tayo sa ating bato. Sobrang init. Napakainit dito din. Para lang ako nasa Pilipinas, sobrang init guys. Woo! To the moon, to the moon. Ang daming moon. To the moon, to the moon. Init. Tambay sa kanto. Tambay sa kanto ng China.
Dalat-dalat. Thank you. This is a next one ha. Pupula ng buka. Papasok ang reyna sa sayaw ng cha-cha. Ang saya-saya. Bumtiyaya, bumtiyaya, bum, yeah, yeah. Bumtiyaya, bumtiyaya, bum, yeah, yeah. this one.
What's that?
Yeah, this is a world class famous song.
Wow, famous,
Let's bring Rush Hour Driver. Bahay Cooper, tarik lumpur, ang halaman doon ay sari-sari, singkamas at salong, sigarilyas at mani, sitaw, dasal, patani, lupot kalabasa, at mga mayroon pa, labanas ng sasa, sibuyas sa kapis, bawang at luya, nabalikit-likit. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you, my teachers. Sometimes I need your support. I need your support. I cannot remember some lyrics. It's very difficult for me. Just thank you for your support. I have many groups from Philippines, and then all nice people. They are very willing to teach me this kind of Tagalog song. Because for me, I like Tagalog song because the melody is very cute. My favorite is the pag-iuhaw sayong sayaw, mananatiling uhaw, uhaw, uhaw. I like this song. Pinia. Now next time you tell me. You tell me, actually just write it down. I will try next time.
Parang hindi natin mamimista natin na. Very good guys. So baka hindi natin natin ito. Hindi na. Iwan lang sa sakyan. Hindi na sa dadan na. Ano pa tayo? Very good guys. We're going to eat. Here's the restaurant. It's yellow. Saan tayo? you guys. We're going to take a
Hello, my friends. This story, typical is actually perceived as a short natural. So everything is included except this one. This one, because we had a
guys. Eating fun. Hello everyone! Welcome to Sampay Buhay Vlog. Thank you so much sa lahat ng mga nag-subscribe ng aking channel. At sa mga hindi pa po nag-subscribe, please subscribe and select the notification button and select the all para lagi pa kayong updated